Good morning to Doctor and fellow friends. We are from Group 14 and now we will be presenting our group project, which is UUM Recycling Make Easy. My name is Okay Mei and my matrix number is 278551. Now I will be starting the presentation with the background. Recently, many UUM students complain that garbage such as plastic bottles, papers, food packages, and so on can be seen everywhere in the school compound. There are even the garbage bins in the campus are sometimes overflowed with full of parcel boxes and plastics, which are all recyclable items. This is due to nowadays students prefer to conduct online shopping and have their parcels sent to the campus. This often happens because students do not know how to deal with them and they are unaware of necessity of recycling them. This issue may not seem serious, but it should not be tolerated in the school compounds. This is because not only will this problem affect the health quality of students in UUM, but also will place great effect on the reputation of UUM. Without doubt, this issue proves that the environmental awareness of UUM students is not strong, which could be a major obstacle in making UUM an environmental friendly and go green campus.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Anis Nazrah binti Nazikhan and my matric number is 281617. Now I will talk about the problem definition. Nowadays, abnormal weather changes often occur globally and in some countries it has caused a catastrophe. Many are aware of it, but not many are changing their lifestyles or taking immediate action to solve this climate crisis. One of the steps that can be applied in everyone's daily life to make a significant change is recycling. Recycling reduces waste, reduces the use of new raw materials, reduces energy consumption, air pollution, water pollution, and reduces greenhouse gas emissions, compared to the production of new goods from new materials. As there are various types of recyclable materials such as glass, paper, metal, plastics, textiles, and electronic components, it is quite hard for the people, especially the community in University Utara Malaysia UUM, to differentiate the types and recycle effectively. Based on our observation, there are many recycling bins in University Utara Malaysia, but it is often empty. Meanwhile, the normal dustbin is always full to the point where it can't be closed with the dustbin cover. In University Utara Malaysia, there are not many exposure about ways to recycle, access to easy and fast information about recycling, the locations of recycling bins near UUM, and awareness about the importance of recycling. There are students in UUM who want to start recycling, but are too busy with assignments or tasks to search for the details or proper methods to recycle. Although information are always accessible on the internet, there are little to no website or softwares that can help the University Utara Malaysia community to recycle easily. In the end, most decides to choose the easiest way and just throw it in the normal dustbin, although it is a recyclable item. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Michael Tawandamoyo. My matric number is 276739, and in this presentation, I will talk about the solution to our problem. The problem we have defined in our assignment is a lack of available information about recycling for the community in University Utara Malaysia. The solution we propose to solve this problem is the development of a website which is specifically focused on recycling to help the community in University Utara Malaysia. Firstly, this website will provide the community with all the information they need to learn about recycling. This information will be provided in the form of blog posts, research statistics, and any other prevalent information available related to recycling. Next, a website is a convenient and eco-friendly solution because it does not require anyone to buy anything to learn about recycling. The community does not have to purchase books or pamphlets or any other documents to learn about recycling. They can simply log onto the website and all the information will be presented to them. Next, a website is easy to use and does not require any need of how to operate specialized software such as an application if, for instance, we were to develop an application for the community in University Utara Malaysia. Next, because there is little available information for recycling for the community, a website focused on the recycling will help them be regularly informed. Regular updates containing the latest information from institutes such as the Environmental Research and Education Foundation and the National Solid Waste Department mentioned earlier. This will make sure that the community always has the most recent and up-to-date information about recycling, which will help them be regularly informed. Next, the website is also easily shareable. Via a link, people in the community can share it between each other. This will provide greater reach, and the information will be able to reach more people in the community and help them all learn together by reaching more people. Overall, the development of a website is a viable solution to help the community in University Utara Malaysia learn about recycling. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Li Wenlong. My metric number is 256581. Now I'm going to talk about the novelty of innovation. In today's internet age, people are not aware about environmental protection. How can we encourage people to recycle instead of only understanding recycling? Therefore, we just built a website for everyone to understand environmental protection knowledge, which is conducive to the promotion of online and offline service. How to let everyone know our website? At this time, we need to use some social software to promote our website, such as Facebook, Instagram, and etc. So that everyone can see the environmental protection information we provide on the website, and attract through time accumulation. Most students come to participate in recycling and organize offline activities. In our lives, whether in reality or on virtual networks, we can see many advertisements, like billboards on the roadside and advertising sign on the internet. Next, I'm going to compare the advertisements with our website. First, the website can make full use of the value of information, but advertisement's information is not detailed and complete. Second, the advertisement just reminds you to do it, but the website allows you to do it after you know it. Third, the advertisement is easy to be ignored. While websites with complete information can increase your awareness, the content in a website can be accessed by various means such as animation, pictures, video, and some with complete information. While the content on advertisements is only exposed with simply words, pictures, and animation with a little information.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will present about sustainability. This is to ensure that this website remains for a long time and is well received by community, especially UUM students. First, good design is a little possible. Develop and create simple use, friendly website design. Make updates to the design of this website from time to time according to the convenience and demand of user. Attract user to this website by using systematic and effective design feature to encourage students to do recycling. Lastly is create a website design that does not pollute the environment and can be used by all type of people. Here clearly show, in order to keep our website on the internet for a long time, we need to work hard in creating an attractive design to increase user. Second is clear and not too much unnecessary information. This website information is only related to recycling activity. Ensuring user information is always secure and not leaked. Make improvement in terms of providing information in this website. Provide advertising information about the benefit of this website. Does not provide information that is inciting and bring problem to others. Moreover, user only need to provide a location for the society to pick up recycled item should be given accurate and true information to avoid fraud. We will make improvement in providing good and up-to-date information from time to time, so our website will be well received by UUM students. Thank you.
Now we continue the presentation with potential social, economic, and other impacts. For potential social, our website will be presented a lot of information about recycle, such as locations, waste, articles, and statistics. It will be easier for UUM students and encourage them to develop a good habits of recycling. Therefore, if a community has in a solid and reliable recycling guidance, more materials will be recycled rather than incinerated or put in a landfills, which is harmful to the environment. For potential economic, this project can add more groups of people to practice recycling habits, which will help to conserve natural resources. It can also help the country to save money by reducing spending on landfills. With this, government can save the money on deal with landfills and put it to other development. For other impacts, this project can ensure that countries' environmental awareness among people are high enough and competitive among other strong countries. Not only that, raises awareness and give birth to young leaders who are having high environmental awareness and will make impact to the countries in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.
This is about our website. UUM Recycle may easily provide UUM student information about recycling. As residents of our beloved Earth, we should all take responsibility to care for it, regardless of age, status, or race. We encourage UUM students to start recycling for now. You can also read about general facts about recycling. Here we provide about recyclable garbage, harmful garbage, food waste, and other garbage. We give examples for each item.
I'll talk about the importance of recycling. Recycling makes the world a better place. With recycling and protection can save manpower and material resources, while also protecting the environment. Our website has made the following on recycling and environmental protection, like reduce the amount of waste produced, keep the environment clean, save energy, reducing air and water pollution, save natural resources like trees, and save money.
Moving on, now I will show you the page for types of recyclable material. There are 6 subpages, which is 6 types. You can either directly go to the type you're looking for, or you can press the main page. From here, you can press the image, or you can press the Learn More button to go to the respective subpage. For example, the electronics page. You can find out the recyclable electronics, steps to recycle electronics, and the location on where to recycle it. For example, it will directly lead you to the location of it. Next, you can also directly press the subpage. For example, here I press the paper subpage. Here you can also find out the general fact about paper, the papers that can be recycled, the papers that cannot be recycled, and the steps to recycle paper. You can find out all about it in one page. The same goes for other types as well.
Now I'll be introducing location page. In this page, we have listed down all the recycle bins in the school UUM. For example, in Assist Mass, you can press View Largest Map, and then it will bring you go to the Google Map. And then you can press Direction, and then it will bring you go to the location. Same go to others. So you can get the closest location for the recycle bins for you to place your recyclable items. These are all the recycle bins in the UUM campus. Besides that, we also have listed down all the recycle center outside the UUM. For example, Cafe Hijau Kuning and Citra Green Resources Recovery Sandra Berhad. You can place your recyclable items such as fabric and also electronic, which you cannot find the recycle bin in the school, right? You can go to this specific location to place your recyclable items. Most of the people, they don't know. Actually, if you go to Uniqlo or maybe H&M to recycle your fabric, your old clothes, you can get some benefit from them. For example, such as some discount voucher This is some benefit from what you do for recycle. These are the recycle bins in the school compound. That's all from me. Thank you.
How recycling works. So we write about recycling works on our website.
3 types of recycling. The first type of recycling is mechanical recycling. Mechanical recycling is the process of recycling plastic materials and wastes via mechanical processes. The following are the benefits of mechanical recycling. The next type of recycling is energy recycling. In energy recycling, plastic wastes are converted into both thermal and electric energy. The benefits of energy recycling are that energy recycling reduces the need to produce raw materials from scratch, and that energy recycling is very efficient in saving energy. The last type of recycling is chemical recycling. In chemical recycling, the chemical structures of plastic wastes are first reprocessed and then modified.
The three ways to recycling with the introduction, text, and the picture.
Okay, lastly, we also have the groups page whereby visitors can interact with others and also receive updates on information about recycle in UM, such as recycling program that will happen in the near future. Not only that, visitors can create a new group and join any group that they want to. For example, if you join the group Route AB, you can receive updates or you can even create a new post related to recycling. That's all from us. Thank you for listening and hope you like our presentation and product.